किसी ने अगर ओजम्पिक और मोंजारो ले भी लिया ना, वैसे आपका फेस बहुत ज्यादा चिपक जाता है, उसको बोलते हैं ना लाइक फेस सूख गया। इफ योर एपेटाइट इज लेस, you'll eat less food, you'll be fuller with small quantity of food. Long term side effects भी हैं। Pancreatitis, where your pancreas get inflamed, that is also a long term side effect, a very common long term side effect. It's in the media, it's in the Bollywood, and everyone is going crazy over it.
That's about 25 million rupees or more than 290,000 US dollars in sales.
We'll discuss about the controversial weight loss topic of Karan Johar and Ram Kapoor. They have recently lost huge amount of weight. The magical weight loss drug which everyone is speaking about. It's in the media, it's in the Bollywood, and everyone is going crazy over it. Hi guys, welcome back to the another video. And आज के इस वीडियो में हम Ozempic and Mounjaro जैसे weight loss drug के बारे में in detail discussion करेंगे. If you're someone who's trying to lose weight and if you're trying to consider weight loss drugs like Ozempic and Mounjaro, this video would be an eye opener for you. This video would be the most well researched video which you'll ever find on internet फॉर ओजम्पिक एंड मोंजारो. एंड इस वीडियो में हम बहुत चीज़ों को डिस्कस करेंगे. विल डिस्कस अबाउट द कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल वेट लॉस टॉपिक ऑफ करण जोहर एंड राम कपूर. दे हैव रिसेंटली लॉस्ट ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ वेट एंड पीपल आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट इट. लाइक पीपल आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट दे हैव टेकन ओजम्पिक और मोंजारो. विल डिस्कस अबाउट दैट एज वेल. विल डिस्कस अबाउट द साइड इफेक्ट ऑफ ओजम्पिक एंड मोंजारो. विल डिस्कस अबाउट हाउ these weight loss drugs works. So I'll try to keep this video as simple as possible. Before we get started, just a short intro about me. Hi, this is Saf this side and I am a weight loss coach. I help women to transform. I help women to lose weight sustainably, and I've worked with more than 500 plus women in the past. The first topic which we will discuss कि यार ये Ozempic and Mounjaro actually में काम कैसे करता है, because you should know the basics about this. See, Ozempic और Mounjaro एक तरह का ड्रग है which you have to take it on injectable basis. Like you have to inject that on a weekly basis. Doses हर कोई के लिए different हो सकता है. Like usually people start from 2.5 mg and then they take up till 5 mg or even more than that. The maximum doses of these drug is like almost 15 mg. आपको ये समझना होगा कि यार Ozempic और Mounjaro, these are all brand names. These are not the names of the generic. Like these are not the generic name. जैसे कि अगर paracetamol is a generic name, there are different brands which make medications which include paracetamol. Like Crocin is one of the medications. So that's how Ozempic and Mounjaro is also a brand name. अभी Ozempic का जो जेनेरिक नेम है इज सेमाग्लूटाइड. दैट्स द जेनेरिक नेम. बट मोंजारो का जो जेनेरिक नेम है दैट्स डिफरेंट. लाइक दोनों के फंक्शनिंग में बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है. विल नॉट गो इनटू साइंस ऑफ दैट, अदरवाइज इट विल बिकम टू कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. बट ओवरऑल मोटा मोटा आप ये समझो कि यार दोनों ही सेम है, दोनों का फंक्शनैलिटी बिल्कुल ही सेम है. एंड लेट्स डिस्कस कि यार ये फंक्शन कैसे करता है. सबसे पहले यार लाइक वेन एवर यू ईट सम फूड, जब भी आप कुछ खाते हैं, योर बॉडी ब्रेक्स डाउन दैट फूड इनटू शुगर लाइक ग्लूकोज विच गिव्स यू एनर्जी, and your gut releases a hormone which is called the GLP-1 hormone, which triggers the hypothalamus of your brains, which give your brain a signal कि यार अब हो गया, आपने sufficient amount में food खा लिया है, and stop feeling hungry now. That's how it functions in every human body. Like it gives a signal, the GLP-1 hormone is sent to the hypothalamus which gives a signal to stop eating. And you can think of Ozempic weight loss drugs like Ozempic and Mounjaro as a enhanced version of that, as a synthetic version of that which you have to inject on a weekly basis, which acts like GLP-1, which replicates GLP-1 but 100x of that. So उससे क्या होगा, like जब when you inject weight loss drugs like this, you will feel more full. Even if you have very small quantity of food, आपको भूख नहीं लगेगी. Like you will feel fuller and आप कम खाओगे. Your appetite will get less, and if your appetite is less, you'll eat less food. You'll be fuller with small quantity of food. Eventually you will end up ईटिंग इन अ कैलोरी डेफिसिट. दैट मीन्स आपका ओवरऑल खाना कम हो जाएगा एंड आप वेट लॉस करोगे. दैट्स द बेसिक फंक्शनैलिटी ऑफ दीज वेट लॉस ड्रग्स. बट क्या चीज़ें सही में इतनी सिंपल है? यू जस्ट हैव टू इंजेक्ट इट ऑन अ weekly basis and you will end up eating less food and you will end up losing weight. No, it's not that simple. इसके बहुत सारे side effects भी हैं and we have to know that. Specifically if you're someone who is considering to take this weight loss drug, you should know the side effect of this. Like I have researched the hell out of it. I have gone through a lot of case studies, a lot of reviews of people who have already taken these weight loss drug, and I can tell you that it has a lot of side effects. Short term side effects भी बहुत सारे हैं. Long term side effects के बारे में अभी बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों को पता नहीं, but there are researches to prove that there is some long term side effect of that. Like whatever I speak in this video, सारे links, like whatever research I have done, websites I have referred to, सबके links आपको description में मिल जाएंगे. तो इस वीडियो में बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल में वो सारी चीज़ों को डिस्कस नहीं करूँगा. I'll just give my overview, what I have seen, like overall what my research include. So like see, सबसे पहले तो यार इसका जो short term side effect है, it's mostly related to your digestive system, it's mostly related to your gut, because that's how it functions. It functions through your gut. So basically, like the most common side effect is you will have constipation, you will feel bloated, you will feel that heartburn, like you'll feel that कि आपका digestion सही से काम नहीं कर रहा है, you'll feel like vomiting, you'll feel nausea. So these are the basic side effects which like the short term side effects which it has. अभी इसके बहुत सारे long term side effects भी हैं. Pancreatitis, where your pancreas get inflamed, that is also a long term side effect, a very common long term side effect. So these are the long term side effects which people have observed. Other than that, like hair fall is also a very common side effect which I've seen across people who have taken this and have shared their experience. One of the other most common side effect which people have observed, and I have seen also across people who have taken this drug, is basically like Ozempic face or Ozempic butt or Ozempic feet, which people call in layman term. Basically जब आप ये लेते हो, your muscle loss happens a lot, your muscle mass comes down, like even though you lose weight on the scale, but ओवरऑल आपका जो मसल मास है वो कम होता जाता है. इसकी वजह से आपका फेस बहुत ज़्यादा चिपक जाता है, उसको बोलते हैं ना लाइक फेस सूख गया है. So that's also a very common side effect of people taking Ozempic and Mounjaro, like because your muscle loss happens. This also happens with your butt or with your feet. So like this is a clear indication if you can see someone जिसने बहुत suddenly बहुत ज़्यादा weight loss कर लिया. Again बहुत ज़्यादा तो weight loss नहीं होता. Again we'll come to that topic as well. So if you see that कि फेस एकदम से पिचक गया है, that can indicate that the person is on Ozempic or Mounjaro. So Mounjaro का जो pricing है इंडिया में for 2.5 mg it is around like 3500 rupees, and for 5 mg it is around 4300 rupees, which you have to like buy on a weekly basis. So overall monthly cost जो इसका आ जाता है वो roughly around 13,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees is the monthly cost which people have to bear if they are on a weight loss drug like Mounjaro. Ozempic इंडिया में इतना ज़्यादा easily available नहीं है. You will not find it directly in the medical stores, but Mounjaro is very easily available. So let's also discuss कि अगर कोई Ozempic या Mounjaro लेता है तो उससे उसका weight loss कितना होता है. Again Mounjaro का थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा better results हैं compared to Ozempic. But yes, like overall it's almost similar. So let's understand this with an easy example. Let's say if you are at 100 kgs and if you inject yourself every week with 5 mg of Ozempic medications, you can expect to lose somewhere around 16% of your weight. That is like if you're 100, that would be like 16 kilos, which is very less in 18 months. I can bet you that if you just work on your lifestyle, if you work on your eating habits, if you work on your sleep, if you work on your activity level, you can lose much more than that or much faster than that. Let's say if you increase the dose to like 15 mg, which is the maximum. I don't think that mostly doctor would recommend that high level of dose, but still if someone is on that like 15 mg of Ozempic on a weekly basis for 18 months, they can expect to lose somewhere around 22 kilos, which is again very less. Like 18 महीने में, like almost 1 year 6 months, you can lose much more weight than this if you just work on your lifestyle. Now coming to the point कि यार ये जो famous Bollywood transformation है, चाहे तो वो करण जौहर का transformation हो गया. Karan Johar has roughly lost around 20 kilos within a span of 7 months. And then talking about the famous transformation of Ram Kapoor, he also has lost a good amount of weight. He has lost approximately around 55 kgs of weight in a span of 18 months. So यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों के दिमाग में ये रहता है कि क्या इन्होंने Ozempic यूज़ किया है कि नहीं. I'll tell you their side of story first, and then I'll tell you my side of story, like what I feel on this. Like I have worked with a lot of clients so far. I've seen a lot of weight loss transformation happening. I'll tell you what my take on this. So firstly, like if we talk about Karan Johar, he has in public, like he was recently on a podcast or something where he completely denied that he has not taken any kind of weight loss drug like Ozempic and Mounjaro. He was telling that he is having thyroid, which was not diagnosed for a very long time, and he has tried weight loss for a lot of time. Like उन्होंने बहुत बार try किया था, but he has never been succeeded. But then the thyroid was diagnosed, and then the proper medication was given to him, and then he lost weight and all. He also mentioned that he was on a 1 meal a day kind of diet, and that's what helped him to lose weight. Now coming to the second story, that is of Ram Kapoor. He has lost more than Karan Johar. He has also denied that he has not taken any kind of weight loss drug. He was also telling that in a podcast that yes, like his doctor has recommended, but he got a shoulder injury, and then he started to do the rehab, and then he started with the exercise, and that's how he lost weight. He was recommended by his family doctor, but he has not taken it. Now what my side of story is, मेरे साइड का जो स्टोरी है, सी वॉट इट हार्डली मैटर्स, इवन इफ दे हैव टेकन इट, दैट्स देयर लाइफ. इवन इफ दे हैव टेकन ओजम्पिक और मंजारो, दे हैव स्टिल डन द हार्ड वर्क. बिकॉज अगर उन्होंने सिर्फ ओजम्पिक और मंजारो ले लिया होता और बैठ गए होते, दिन भर पिज़्ज़ा खा रहे होते, बर्गर खा रहे होते, मुश्किल से 5,000 स्टेप्स भी दिन के नहीं चल रहे होते, हफ्ते में 1-2 दिन भी जिम नहीं जा रहे होते, they would have not got this kind of result. So instead of us blaming them, or instead of us like going in their comment section and just simply replying that you are on Ozempic, your weight loss happened because of Ozempic or Monjaro, we should realize the fact that, again, let's imagine that they have taken the drug, they have taken that Ozempic or Monjaro, but still they have done the hard work. अगर उन्होंने सिर्फ ये Ozempic और Monjaro भी ले लिया होता ना, तो इतने कम टाइम में इतना वेट लूज नहीं किया होता, लाइक इतना माइंड ब्लोइंग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन नहीं किया होता. दे हैव डन सम हार्ड वर्क. सो वी हैव टू टेक दैट इनटू अकाउंट. वी डोंट हैव टू जस्ट कंप्लेन अबाउट कि यार उनके पास तो एक्सेस है, उनके पास तो पैसा है, एंड दे कैन डू वॉट एवर दे वॉन्ट, दे कैन टेक एनी ड्रग दे वॉन्ट. It's not, doesn't work like that. We have to see what we can do, what, like how human mind works, कि हमारा ध्यान वो specific magic pill पे जाता है, like that one thing which can solve all of your problems, but that's how it doesn't work. You have to look it in a more holistic way and then take your decisions. Like it's not just the Ozempic or Monjaro which gives people result. किसी ने अगर Ozempic और Monjaro ले भी लिया ना, they might lose some weight. But again, if they have not worked on their habit as a base, if they have not worked on that, उनका eating habit खराब है, उनका एक्टिविटी बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, you can't take Ozempic और Monjaro lifelong. Let's be very honest. आपने 1 साल ले लिया, 18 महीना ले लिया, 2 साल ले लिया, like again, I don't think any doctor would recommend taking it for so long. But what after that? Like आपने ले लिया, आपने वेट लूज कर लिया, बट आप पूरे 18 महीने तक आप चले भी नहीं, आप मुश्किल से दिन का 5,000 स्टेप्स भी कंप्लीट कर पा रहे हो, आप दिन भर बैठ के लैपटॉप के सामने काम कर रहे हो, आप थोड़ा भी मूव नहीं कर रहे हो. डू यू थिंक दैट वेट लॉस विल बी सस्टेन? नेवर. नो, it can't be sustained. I get frustrated a lot where people just like think it in this way कि यार वो एक weight loss drug है, उसको ले लेते हैं, सब problem solve हो जाएगा. It doesn't work like that. You have to work on your habits. If you're someone watching this video and if you're above 100 kilos, I can bet you कि आप आज से start करो, आप वो अपने हैबिट्स पे काम करो, you can get much better than this results than this Ozempic and Monjaro. I can bet on.